Want to add country and state field to your Elementor form? After installing Cool Form Kit, navigate to Elementor section. Click Cool Form Kit. Now, from the form elements, toggle on the country code for Tell Field option. Click Save Changes. Open your Elementor form. From the Type section of your form field, select Country. Now, customize the country field settings according to your requirements. Now, for the state, select State from the Type section of Form field. Enter Country Field ID. To access it, navigate to Advanced section of Country Form field. Now copy and paste it. After satisfied with all the changes, publish the page and preview it.